Good morning guys, and in front of me is Samsung S25 FE, and let me show you how to change gesture navigations to button navigation or the opposite. So basically how to switch navigation on this device. So to do it, you just unroll the list of all apps and reach settings. Now go to display, locate navigation bar, here we've got it. And now just mark buttons or gestures, however you prefer. Just by tapping, you can change it. Here you can see the result. If you wish to customize it a bit, just mark more options. And here in gestures, you can set gesture sensitivity. Here you can see the area in which it will be active. And once you've got button navigation, you can switch the layout. So that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.